Greenland beneath waves, the 2025 Davis Strait discovery. Opening. In the frozen reaches of the North Atlantic, between the rugged cliffs of Greenland and the icy fjords of Canada's Baffin Island, lies a body of water few ever see in person, the Davis Strait. For centuries, its surface told no secrets. But in early 2025, scientists uncovered something extraordinary beneath its waves. A vast hidden landmass, a fragment of a lost continent. This is the story of the Davis Strait proto-microcontinent, a geological revelation that is rewriting the history of our planet. Setting the scene, the Davis Strait has long been a gateway between two great oceans, linking the Arctic's Baffin Bay to the vast North Atlantic. Its waters are cold, turbulent, and home to migrating whales, drifting icebergs, and hardy fishing communities. But beneath its blue surface lies a seabed that, until recently, was thought to be like any other, oceanic crust, thin and ancient, formed from volcanic rock millions of years ago. That assumption was wrong. Beneath the Davis Strait, scientists have found something far thicker, older, and more complex, a piece of continental crust up to 24 kilometers thick. For comparison, that's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest stacked into it, hidden under the sea. In early 2025, an international team of geologists and geophysicists from the UK and Sweden conducted a deep seismic survey of the Davis Strait. They used advanced sonar mapping, seismic reflection, and gravity measurement instruments, tools capable of peering tens of kilometers beneath the seabed. Their data revealed something astonishing. The crust under the Davis Strait was not thin basalt, like most of the ocean floor, but thick, buoyant granite-rich rock, the hallmark of continents. This submerged landmass is enormous, stretching about 650 kilometers in length and between 320 and 640 kilometers wide. In other words, if we drained the water away, you could fit the entire country of France into this hidden plateau. Why it matters. So why is this such a big deal? First, this is one of the largest proto-microcontinents ever identified in modern times. A proto-microcontinent is a chunk of continental crust that broke away from a larger landmass during the shifting of Earth's tectonic plates, but never quite became a full-size continent on its own. Its discovery helps scientists piece together Earth's ancient puzzle, showing how continents like North America and Greenland were once connected. Second, the Davis Strait find is a window into the past. Geological samples suggest this crust may date back more than 1 billion years, possibly linked to the supercontinent Rodinia, which existed long before the age of dinosaurs. Third, such discoveries can have economic and environmental implications, from potential mineral deposits deep below the surface to understanding earthquake and volcanic risks in the North Atlantic region. The ancient past. To understand the Davis Strait proto-microcontinent, we have to travel back in time. Hundreds of millions of years ago, what we now call Greenland and North America were joined as part of the supercontinent Pangaea. Before that, they were united in earlier supercontinents like Rodinia and Laurentia. Over immense spans of time, tectonic forces pulled these giant landmasses apart. As rifts opened, pieces of continental crust sometimes broke away, sinking slightly, but remaining too buoyant to submerge deeply into the mantle. One such fragment is the Davis Strait proto-microcontinent. It likely broke away during the opening of the North Atlantic, drifting into its present position and remaining hidden beneath the waves until 2025. How it was found. The key to the discovery was high-resolution geophysical surveying. Scientists aboard research vessels sent sound waves deep into the Earth, recording how they bounced back. These seismic reflections create cross-section images of the subsurface, much like an ultrasound scan. In addition, they measured subtle variations in the pull of Earth's gravity. Heavier rocks like basalt caused stronger, while lighter continental rocks caused weaker. When the results came in, the team realized they had mapped an enormous slab of granite-rich crust, thick, ancient, and unmistakably continental in nature. Years of satellite data completely studied something unusual in the Davis Strait, but it took the 2025 expedition to confirm its true identity. Now the question is, what should we call it? Some scientists argue it's large enough to be considered a microcontinent, while others prefer the more cautious term, proto proto-microcontinent, since it's still connected to surrounding crustaceans.